It's business as usual here at Bree Street Rank, one of the busiest in the province. Enforcing the limit of 100 people is just unlikely here. But awareness about COVID-19 is there, and some taxi drivers are heeding the call for heightened hygiene practices.
I make sure that I wash my hands after every trip because I handle cash from different commuters. I also make sure that all my windows are open throughout every trip.
But for taxi drivers like Shadrach Finger, the COVID-19 developing story is unsettling.
They want us to wash our hands, but we're always on the road. This has really put us in a tight corner. I think we're going to be easy targets for this virus.
The 52-year-old says he ferries at least 1,000 commuters per week, and that's his only source of income.
We've got families to look after at the end of the day.
Direct physical contact, almost inevitable among commuters. It's a daily life experience for them.
We're changing money. I can have my sanitizer in the taxi, and I'm not expecting the driver to have one. If I don't have it in my bag, then unfortunately I will have to change it and wash my hands when I get off.
It just has to be sanitizers. People have to be aware about it.
When we get out of the taxi, we are still going to touch ourselves. Perhaps we need to put on gloves.
It's very worrying and it's very nerve-wracking because you'll never know whether you have it or not.
I think it's based on self-care.
And a plea from the queue marshals.
We would really appreciate for government to assist us with personal protective equipment like surgical masks and gloves, because it's always full here.
The government says there is a plan for the public transport system.
We will engage with everybody and issue instructions. Among others, in our space, we've got PRASA, which will undergo and perform sanitization in all our trains. Of course, the social distancing will affect us en masse in terms of trains and taxis. So that includes education in relation to this, but over and above, random testing will be applied in all the taxi ranks and also in the trains, but equally, taxis will also be expected to undergo sanitization across the country. We will engage with all, starting from today, and consolidate our plans that are already in place for implementation.
For many, a step in the right direction to curb the spread of the virus, especially in congested public spaces. SABC News, Johannesburg.